Hey guys, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but down there I'm gonna try to point it out. This thing over here that I'm tapping, it is the crankshaft sensor, and I have this doubt that the cutting off the car when she works on idle, it is because of it, and now I'm gonna try to get it out of its place. And I actually ended up measuring the resistance of this sensor, and it is kind of off. So hopefully with the one that I have, the problem will be solved once and for all. So I'm gonna take this out because it is hard to get to, and I'm gonna test the car and see if this is the case. And hopefully, as I mentioned, this car is gonna run smoothly as it should be once again. So we'll see if I have successfully found the reason for that. So guys, I'm sorry about the mess, but I'm kind of freaking out, and I can't spend time dealing with this table that I'm working on. So these are the two sensors. You can see that they are exactly the same, and they go like this, and there is the marking 1, 2, 3 on the both of them. But when I measure the resistance on the pins, this was the one that was on the car. Let's start with it. So when I start with this one moment, you can see that between the first and the second there is a circuit, and between the first and third there is nothing. And once again the second and third, once again nothing. While this is the one that I'm gonna use now. On the first pin, I don't know how to position this so you can see well. On the first pin, 2 seconds, there is circuit. The third, there is circuit. Second and third. Probably they are the ones were on the other one were like this, but it doesn't matter. You can see that the third pin on this one is actually involved with the other two. As for this one that I took off the car, there is some kind of problem, I am guessing. There is no other explanation. The other possibility is for this to be completely different module from this one, but I highly doubt this to be the case. So in any case, actually I'm not gonna waste time, and I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna see how the car is gonna run, if there is any improvement or not. So fingers crossed this is gonna solve this annoying problem, and I'm gonna be able to move forward with this project. So back to work. Well guys, it's finally time, the moment of truth. I haven't assembled the air filter, and still need to drain the air out of the cooling system, but first things first, let's see. After I installed the new crankshaft sensor, and I ended up replacing the spark plug coil as well. This is the old one. It seems to be working, but just for the sake of the curiosity, I wanted to install the other one to see if anything is gonna change. So let's try to start this thing to see how it is gonna run. If it actually runs, of course. Unfortunately, she still has this cutting. It is kind of mild compared to before, but still has it. It doesn't work as nice as I want to, but apparently this is gonna be all for this project, at least for now. So thank you for watching, stay safe. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. So if you are, you can consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking, and so on. So yeah, stay safe and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.